Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we are going to talk about two important terms in the technical world. Okay, that is first of all that is DevOps and another is DevSecOps. If you are new to this concept, don't worry, I will explain everything in a simple language with easy example. By the end of this video, you will understand the difference between DevOps and DevSecOps and why they matter. So let's dive in. First of all, let's understand what is DevOps. Okay, we are going to dive then into this particular DevOps part and let's understand the DevOps terms and technology. So imagine you are building a house, you have two teams. Okay, in the DevOps, we generally have two teams. Okay, first, the team is generally known as the architectures, which we generally known as developers. Okay, they generally this will design the house, and another we have that is the operations teams. We generally construct the house. So this will develop and this will construct the house. Now these two teams don't communicate well. Okay, the house might not turn out as planned. So maybe the architect designed something the construction team can't build, or the construction team made changes without telling the architecture's team. Okay, so this can lead to delays and the make mistakes and the frustrations part. So DevOps is something like a super sufficient like project manager who can cure both the teams work together efficiently. It's a set of practice like that helps in dev and operations part. This is developers are generally the things that comes as dev. Okay, let me just bold. And here we have operations that is OP and ops. So by this together terms, it has created DevOps. Okay, so now developers and operations teams basically collaborate better, automated process and deliver software faster and reliable. If I talk about something, the key goals for the DevOps part, so like it's basically helps in faster delivery of the software, helps in better communications between teams. Okay, automating repetitive tasks like testing and deployments and continuous improvements are been there. One of the major things are like that is the automations part. This is automations parts are been one of the major part sections which generally plays into this DevOps world. Okay, let me just sideline this. Okay, cool. Now let me talk about the DevSecOps part. What did DevSecOps? Now let's go back at our like house example. Imagine the house is built, but no one thought about the security part. Like what we are seeing here, the developers has team has just designed. Okay, just planned about the architect and the operations team will the construct. But when the imagine the house was built, but no one has thought about the security part. Maybe the doors are weak or the windows don't lock properly. Then this is the biggest problem, right? So DevSecOps is like the adding securities. If I talk about adding securities part, security experts. Okay, this thing in the DevSecOps part, the main concern is it is totally equal to a DevOps, but here the security expert generally comes into the play. Okay, which help into the managing the security into the DevSecOps part. So the DevSecOps generally like it's about integrating security into the DevOps process from very beginning instead of threatening secrets after all. So basically, DevOps ensure that the security is part of every step: planning, coding, testing, and deployment. So we have different stages. So in every stage, the security will be implemented. And if I talk about the key goals of the DevSecOps, so build like it generally helps in building the secure software from the start. Like it's helping automate security checks, like scanning from vulnerabilities part. Then if also things about like make security for everyone responsibility, just not for the security team. And it also helps in the major like reduces risks and protect your user data. So if I talk about the major key differences, let me just review and what are those major key differences we have. So let's first talk about the DevOps part. If I talk about the focuses, like it generally helps into the speed and collaborations between speed and collab of a dev team and the operations team. Then we have securities often separate or step or handled later. Like we have been in the security we handle later and the end of the operations has been created. But in this delivery of the systems are quickly also and efficiently also. Okay, now one more thing, like here we have developers teams plus operations teams comes together to make a DevOps part. But same thing if I talk about here into the DevSecOps part, if I talk about the differentiations part, so here same thing happens, only the like there will be speed, there will be collaboration, and there will be also the here the main thing that gets added is security part. Okay, security pass has been added. And if you talk about this in this DevOps, the security is handled later, but in this DevSecOps, in the every stage, it is start like it's basically integrated from the starting, integrated from starting. Okay, then if I talk about like goals, like it's been quickly and efficiently, it's also quickly and efficiently and securely also. So major thing is like in DevSecOps, security generally plays a crucial role over here. Okay, then here we have Dev plus ops. Okay, Dev plus ops plus security part. So this generally created DevSecOps. Okay, so sorry. Okay, this generally three things in this that security major involved. So let's understand with an example major differences. Okay, let's say you are building a mobile app. Okay, so in DevOps, you will focus on writing code quickly, testing it automatically, and deploying it to the user as fast as possible. But same thing if we are building for the DevSecOps, so we have to write a secure code. Like example, no vulnerabilities will be there. Okay. Second, we have to automatically scale the scanning of the code for the security purposes. In this, we are not scanning; we are just testing it automatically and deploying. But in this, we have to also scan the code for the security issues and ensuring the app is safe for the user before deploying it. So why does DevSecOps matter? Like why we always get the questions like right now it's demanding into the market. So why does DevSecOps matter? Think about it. If you release software quickly but full of security holes, so hacker can steal your data or crash your apps or cause you other problems. So DevSecOps ensures that the security is not sacrificed for the speed. Okay, it's like building a house with strong locks and alarms from the starting instead of adding them later. So if I talk about coming up to the conclusions to sum up, so like this DevOps is a speed and the collaborations between developers and operations team, and where DevSecOps is a speed collaboration but with the securities part. So both are important, but DevSecOps takes it a step further for making security priority through the entire process. If you're just starting out, understand this concept will help you why both speed and security matters in today tech world right now. Okay, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs and subscribe to the channel for the more beginner friendly tech comments. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to cover another topic. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you soon in next video.